John and I didn't want you to miss us, so we decided that we were going to do a short video to bring to you. And also we've got some lovely clients on the ground at the moment, haven't we, John? And we wanted you to meet them too and see what they're doing and part of their journey with us right now.
So keep watching. We're showing in the centre of Loulé, and with a lovely couple living in France from LA and Brazil, and they're a bundle of joy.
Yes. So come on, let's go and meet them. So we've got some clients here, Neil and Veronica, that's joined us. And so, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourselves and where you live in and your thoughts on Portugal and what have you?
Okay, well, I'm originally from California, and Veronica's from Brazil, and we live in France, in the south of France, in Provence. We're looking at Portugal to come and have a second home, and from what I can see so far, it's beautiful, very authentic. You see the old village mixed with the new construction, so it's quite authentic.
So yeah, we've had a little wander around Loulé, and I think you've really took to it, haven't you?
Yeah, I have, yeah, we're pretty set.
Well, at the moment we drove in the road. We drove up in the main avenida, and you went, and Veronica went, oh wow, this is good, I like this.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we were in Lagos, so we had a look around Lagos. So we thought we'd show you a little bit of Loulé today, and also show you something completely different, as I normally do, something completely different. And then tomorrow we'll probably look, or later on in the week, we'll look over the east side. But Loulé's got so much tradition, and you both said it reminds you of France, didn't you?
Yes.
It's got character, it's got things going on.
It has character.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, a bit like me, character, but there's not much else, you know. But
and actually tonight will be Medfest.
Yes.
So tell us about Medfest, because I've never been. It's something I've missed out on. I must do this next year.
Well, obviously, because of the coronavirus pandemic, they've cut it back down this year, and it's minimal, and all the tickets are sold out. But normally, this is heaving, and music stages set up, and bands playing, all different fado music, some places, and all different music, and your caipirinhos. And you had caipirinhos last night, and you weren't even Medfest.
I had a few last night.
Yeah, yeah. So Medfest is great in Loulé, and White Night, that's every 2 years. You dress in white, the whole town's in white, and there's got the carnival the same time as Brazil, always the same time, isn't it, February?
End of February.
End of February. Yeah. So in the Avenida, the floats go up and down. Loulé has got everything, and Christmas in Loulé is better than any Christmas lights, even in New York, I would say.
That's a long stretch to say that.
It is fantastic, the lights. They do put a lot into it. So.
What I like as well about the festivals and the carnivals is the grandma, great grandmas with them, and everybody in the family, right down to the newest born child, and they're all out. It's very family orientated, isn't it? It's really good. But you probably experienced very family in Brazil.
Yes.
Yeah.
Veronica's fluent French, fluent Brazilian, pequeno.
English, little English. Je parle français et falo português.
Fantastic. And I'm learning. I'm always learning.
And I'm still learning English.
Yeah, aren't we all? And just to say where we are, we're actually in a new listing. We did come here, about 4 or 6 weeks ago, didn't we?
Yeah, weren't quite listed then, was it?
Weren't quite listed, but now we've listed it. It's a 4-bedroom penthouse in the centre of Loulé. If anybody knows Loulé, this is right next to the market, and you can't be in a better location. Outside space, 4 bedrooms, big rooms, but not just a penthouse. You get a T1, 1-bedroom separate apartment, and you also get what we call a T0, but they're commercial, so they're rented out. The 3 outer units are bringing in €1,400 a month, and that's without this. So if you want to buy this, and that comes with it, is $675,000 for the whole package. And you could have this as a fantastic lock-up and leave holiday home, or a great rental because it's in the centre of Loulé, and you've got your income coming in from the other units. So check this out on our website. The reference number will come up as well. So it needs a little bit more work doing, and we're going to come back and film it when it's all finished. And stay tuned and watch it. It's got great potential.
So we've opted for orange juice, which is extremely unusual for me and John, because me and John usually go for the wine, the beer, the cocktails.
Yes.
So yeah, you'll have seen on his videos.
Oh yeah, on the videos you're having the cocktails?
Yeah,
She's always having a cocktail.
Oh, okay.
And when she's in a bar, she's never passes a bar by.
Oh, right, right, right.
I do get a reputation. I'm very good, actually. I only drink with days with the wine.
Well, I'm like that with pizza restaurants.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't walk by a pizza place if they have a big pizza there and sell the slice. Yeah, I have to.
And well, the Americans fold it, don't they?
We fold it. We fold it over like that.
And that's it, yeah.
Yeah,
Pizza sandwich.
pizza sandwich.
Where the English, the Brits, they just sort of,
Yeah, yeah.
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 So what's your favourite food here? What have you been eating while you've been here? Have you sampled the Portuguese styles?
Well, we're going to go to this Bembom.
Bem bom.
We're going to go to Bembom. We've been eating at the hotel because we've just been exhausted. So it's right. It's right. It's it's right there.
Yeah.
And they have a fabulous breakfast buffet. You know, it's like $18, all you can eat. There's meat. There's fruit. There's bread, donuts, croissants, juice, all the juices, coffees, all the coffees, everything. Pancakes, sausage, eggs.
So that's it for today.
Oh yeah, I mean one time. You just need to eat one time. You're good.
Are you finding the cost of living good? Food, eating out?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're exactly correct. The cost of living is down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
it's much less.
Definitely. Especially compared to where you're living now, France.
Yes, well, in general, yes, I would say so. We're more in the countryside though, so, we get to buy from the farmers.
So you've got from the Provence, but you've got L'Occitane, all the lavender.
Oh, we have the lavender fields.
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And lavender was what, last month? Was the lavanda.
The lavender is June,
July.
July.
June and July.
Yes.
Purple fields.
And the smells.
Ah, it's beautiful. And you just drive through the country roads and you see these big sheets of purple.
Yeah. We get them a lot down the streets here, don't we?
Yes.
They line the roads, and I love it when I see it. It is absolutely beautiful. And my favourite colour as well, purple.
Oh,
yeah.
I find that they plant a lot of garlic, wild garlic, in gardens here. So when you're walking by, you'll just smell garlic. And it's just little wild garlic bulbs. It's beautiful. Tomorrow or Thursday, what's today, Wednesday?
Wednesday.
I'm going to take you to the east and I'll show you some of I was talking about the oysters, where
Yes.
they export everything. Portuguese eat the oysters, but they think it's like, they prefer clams. So they export a lot of the oysters here, and the biggest export is France.
Oh,
So I'll show you the oyster beds in Fuzeta. So,
okay.
and you're going to like the east. The east has got a lot. It's completely different to Lagos, and we're going to show. I'm going to show them rear view, and hopefully I'll get Sophia, and Sophia will speak to you in
Yeah, he likes
in your
Sophia.
Portuguese.
She's
Sophia is
lovely,
beautiful,
isn't she?
lovely. and
Any
she's
excuse?
bubbly.
He's not really wanting to show you rear view. He's wanting to speak to Sophia.
Shut up,
We
you
know,
never
John.
Yeah. So so we'll do that. So,
Oh, great.
And then it will give you a different look on the east to what the west is in the Algarve. We're in Loule now, and obviously the central Algarve is again different. But Loule Loulé's got something. It has got
It
something.
does. It does. It has that real authentic feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's the best word I can describe it.
So is this the first time you've been to Portugal?
I've been to Portugal 3 days now.
Yeah, and that's the first time in your life.
First time in my life.
And so far?
Loved it. Loved it. It's great.
Stepped off the plane and met me.
That's
And they said, that's him over there, didn't you?
I said I spotted him right there. Yeah, he wasn't even up front. He was in the back. He stayed in the back. I said, there he is. I pointed. He pointed at me.
Yeah, love at first sight.
Yeah. So you can see yourselves spending more time in Portugal for them.
Oh, absolutely. You know, when I get to a new place, new country, new city, I look at it from the viewpoint, could I live here?
Yeah.
If I got stuck and I had to stay here, could I live here? Yes. I could be perfectly happy here.
Yeah, yeah, it is lovely. It's a nice, relaxed place as well.
And Veronica, yes? You like?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
first time in Portugal for me. It's true.
What's interesting for Veronica is this is not her country, but they speak her language.
Yeah,
So this is different.
yeah.
That's why I like to get you to talk to some Portuguese people. I like asking them to talk and you can talk. Then I can listen and try and learn. Because it's a hard language. Very guttural.
For the language, for me, it's good. It's my language.
Yeah.
Sometimes change the little bit. It's similar.
Between Portugal and Brazil,
Yes,
it's changed a little
change
bit.
a little bit. It changed the accent.
The accent?
The accent.
It's more, Brazilian's more singy.
And yes.
Yeah. And the Algarve is yeah.
I thought the woman was speaking Russian last night. I said, are you Russian? She goes, no. Portugal.
I often think that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I often think.
It
it's
sounded
Russian.
like a Russian speaking.
I see you too many people speak French. I listen, have too many French in here.
Yes, there is a lot of
Yes.
French speakers, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Too
It's a lot of French Portuguese people,
Yes.
yeah. So we're going to finish his drinks, going to enjoy the rest of our day. And if you want to join us on a video, join us on our TV shows or a video like this, then please do get in touch. We're looking for people that are wanting to purchase in Portugal and want to join us and share their experience with other people. So please get in touch. We're waiting to hear from you. Thank you.